Hi everyone, it's Büşra from Boostras. Today I'm going to show you how to get the full list of your competitors' blog posts in a few seconds. So, when you look for a topic in your competitors' blog post, you can always use Google search operators, but if you want to get the full list of blog posts, doing it one by one will be harder. And there's an easier way to do this. So, in order to do that, just think that you're a digital marketing blog and you want to write something about SEO. And you want to check most blogs, all of pages here. Just go to most blog. In order to do this, just copy the URL from here and go back to our old friend Screaming Frog. Just paste the URL here. So, in order to crawl a subfolder in Screaming Frog, you can use two different ways. The first one is just put a slash here, go to configuration, spider, and untick this box. Then you will be able to crawl all of the blog pages here. But there's a more effective way to do that, and so you don't need a slash here for that. And go to configuration and click include. Here I just previously write in regex code here. So this means that only crawl blog pages subfolder, blog subfolder, and click OK. Sometimes in the blogs, there may be a lot of image files and you may not want to crawl all of them. If you don't want Screaming Frog to crawl them, you can use an exclude formula here. In order to do that, you can just check the copy image address here and click. As you can see, the image files within the assets file of Mozblog, and you can just copy this URL and come back to here and go to configuration, exclude, and just write a simple regex code here and click OK. I just previously write it for you and start. In a few seconds, Screaming Frog will start to show some results here and it will be completed so easily. The only thing you need to do is after it finishes scrolling, you can export it from here and check all of the pages. So it will be so easy. So if you have any comments about the way I use Screaming Frog, please write them down in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.